Shipping your pet portrait can feel nerve-wracking. Anything can happen between your studio and your client's doorstep. That's why you need to pack it like you're preparing for the worst-case scenario, but obviously hoping for the best. Hey there! Pack this portrait of Manny with me today. I'm Kay, and I'm going to show you exactly how I ship my pet portraits so that they arrive safely and create an amazing unboxing experience for my clients. The first thing is first, make sure your work surface is completely clean. We don't want any dust or debris getting on our finished pet portrait. Next, I add my information directly to the canvas. I use these signature stickers that have lasted me 5 years. They have my signature and my website address on them, and this way, even if everything else gets separated, the artwork will always be connected to me. Now, we want to protect the surface of the pet portrait with tissue paper. Here's a pro tip. I do try to limit how much tape actually touches the artwork itself. We want protection without risking damage when the client unwraps it. After the tissue paper, I think about my client's experience. This is their beloved pet that we're talking about, so I wrap it in nice gift wrap paper. And hey, don't worry if you suck at cutting gift wrap paper, or maybe your husband possibly ruined your scissors when he fixed his bike. You can just fold the edges of the wrapping paper to make it look clean and professional. The next piece is that I head to my computer and I pull up my pet portrait business system to create my certificate of authenticity. You don't necessarily need one, but it really adds a lot to your client's experience. I fill in all the details online, hit download, and then I head straight to the printer. This makes each commission feel official and special. Then I open my drawer of goodies and I grab pre-printed thank you cards with all my contact information, plus a gentle suggestion for clients to share their pet portrait on social media and tag me. I also include a business card for future referrals. When I have everything ready, plus my stamp and my wax seal, it's time to put it all together. First, I sign the certificate of authenticity, then I use this wax seal to make it feel really special. I always include a handwritten thank you note because when someone trusts you to capture their beloved pet, these small touches make all the difference. After that, everything goes into this beautiful envelope and gets another wax seal and goes right on top of the wrapped portrait. Now for the boxing. First, finding the right box. If I'm doing a batch of similar sized pet portraits like around the holidays, I'll have boxes ready to go. But for one-offs, I search through the boxes that I can reuse. The key is finding one that's just slightly bigger than the painting. Next, I sandwich the pet portrait between two pieces of cardboard that are slightly larger than the painting. The most vulnerable parts are the edges and corners, so this bigger cardboard creates our first layer of protection. Then I add corner pieces. You can make them pretty, or you can do basic ones like mine. This outside protection doesn't need to look incredible. That's what our beautiful envelope and wrapping paper are for. The next layer might be plastic wrap to protect against water damage. But I was not worried about that for this piece, so I skipped it since I try to avoid unnecessary plastic when possible. Last, I dive into my treasure box of packing materials and find something that will protect the portrait and fit perfectly in the box. You want enough padding on top so that the box maintains its integrity during shipping. Then I seal it up. When the packing is done, it's time for the shipping. I take measurements and weigh the box. And then I head online to print my shipping label. I personally use pirateship.com because it makes it super easy to print labels on whatever paper you have. Even regular paper works if you secure it with tape. Then I drop it off at UPS or USPS, and it's so fast because my label is ready and I don't have to wait in any lines. Believe me, it feels really good. Now, I want to know, what kind of special touches do you include when you ship your pet portraits? Do you have any unique packaging ideas that make your client's unboxing experience extra special? Make sure to put it in the comments below. If this helped you think through your pet portrait shipping process, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet portrait business tips. Until next time, keep creating those precious memories.